Well, good morning, fellow travellers. It's Michael and Pam, and we're just on the banks of the Moora River in Moora, we presume, and there's a train coming, so we thought we'd stop and take a photo and see what it is. Oh, there you go. It's obviously a wheat train. There you go, that was a bit exciting. I stopped filming for about 3 minutes and then just picked it up again where I could actually see the end of the train. Anyway, it's an awful long stretch of rail line here and it's very, very straight. Anyway, that's it from the town of Moora in Western Australia. Michael and Pam, cheers.